Hey little sheepies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really didn't think I was gonna get 17 views or even 13. I am so thankful for you guys watching this video, but we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. And if you guys can't hear me at a certain point, I'm really sorry. Yeah, what more can I say? So we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button, but I'm gonna toggle the music off because if not, you guys will not be able to hear me. Because let me tell you guys a little secret. I had to delete the previous video that I did. I mean, like, I still play Don't Press the Button, but I had to delete it because you could not hear me because of the music. So this time, I turned the music off. Ooh, the spinning cube. Oh no, this is giving me flashbacks from the normal elevator. Or not. I just went on this side. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. You can actually see what direction it's gonna go. So then you have to go up. Then you have to go this way. Never mind. I mean, you did. See, now it's here. But now you have to go this way. And then you... Ah! No, you're joking. You're joking. No, you're joking. Oh, I thought I said... Oh. Yay! We won! Okay, yeah, we won. We won. Move. So, guys, let me tell you guys a little secret. So, those people going over there, they automatically lose. You go here, 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 here. Then you go here, here, here. Then you take this turn. Then you go this, then here. Here. Take the... Excuse me, this is long. Here. Here. I think I went... Oh my goodness. Okay. So then maybe you go straight down. I don't think I'll beat this. Oh no. Just because I went the wrong way. I was trying to flex. So maybe yeah, guys, I'm failing so bad. Yeah, I failed. We both accepted our faiths. The diamonds in the cave collected before anybody else does. No. Did she get it? She has that fasting. That's not fair. Alright. You go, no. No. Doom. Yes! And there was a guy behind me too. I was gonna go the other way. Yes! Okay, now what? Take a picture. Okay. Take a picture. Take a picture. Yes. Slay queen. Take a picture. Yes. Take a picture. Child, you don't even see me in the picture. But don't fall. I won't fall. Oh. There's those blocks. There's blockies. We're built like blocks. No, like actually. We're built like blockies. Wait, I want to try to get on the blockies. Wait, there are different shapes and sizes. Look. Yo. Yo, tung, 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 tungs. Yeah. Jump, jump, push. Yes. No. Yay, we did it. Push. Dang it. That was not me. Oh, I wanted to push it. What if I don't move? He knew. You gotta be kidding me. Go, go, go. We need to win, guys. Yeah, I pressed it. That was me. Let's rage bait. No. No. No, sushi. You gotta be kidding me. When the rage bait does it rage bait right? I'm the first one to enter. Wow. Alright. I pressed it. That was me. That was me. Let's go trick-or-treating. Bro. October is in like... Once it goes, I'm gonna start crying. No! Alright, that was easy. What are you waiting for? Now that was kind of hard. Guys, next video I'm gonna play Stumble Guys. I love that. Woohoo! My foot kind of hurts. My Roblox for just go. Oh, trampoline. Line. Whatever turn out, press the button. If you land perfectly on a button, you can stop. See, me and this guy landed perfectly on the button. Oh, I wish it was that rolling thing. Hey, what you doing? Eat! Vegetables. One last pick and I'll be good. You can't even hit me. Holy cow. Ciao. Anyways. Sushi. And there clearly was. No, they get to press the button. A laser is coming towards you. Where am I? Oh. Oh, here. Okay. This is giving hole in the wall. Make sure you guys also go watch that video. It's very funny. How did I die? No, then we want to go here. Then we want to go right here. Just getting jukes there. We're getting go here. I can't tell if she was being literally or not. Yay, I won. So sad. I pressed that, just kidding. Okay, now I know. So we want to go like, right here. Let's see. Yes! But I'm in the back, bro. That's so depressing. Is this rat supposed to be here? Apocalypse. Apocalypse, go, 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 go. Run, Henny. Run, Henny. Run, Henny. Run, honey. Run, honey. Oh, dang it. This looks so unstable. Dang, someone died. Okay. I so pressed that. No one can tell me otherwise. Pink. Let me do red. Dang it. Who's trolling with red? Yay. Oh, I could have trolled. I didn't know that. Guys, I'm a troller. Just kidding. I want this rat. Dang it, I'm not the first one. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh wait, isn't this the Ziggies I got? I forget we get. I want this diamond. Oh, I so pressed that. Oh. Oh. Imagine it was a Simon Says thing and he was like, oh, dance. Yes, I perfectly aligned it. I'm the first one in 2026 to have a poop. Yes. Yes. Let's knock. Please be a ghost. I actually liked it.
Ow.
Man. He gives you a big head. Wait, I have a princess hat. Wait, so am I the chosen one? On the platform. Oh. Lollipop. Okay, what now? Find logs to make a bridge. Let's see some logs. Man. Ooh, this is the exact same place that I found last time. What if I just wait and let everybody do it? Okay. No, not the camping. Okay. We can make a jump. Oh shoot, we can't. Man, I wanted to make a jump. Okay, what if I just camp? Thinking. Oh, I'm not losing. I'm not gonna lose. Don't miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you. I can choose when I'm with you. How can I snooze? Don't miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody. You hurry up. We made it. How are you gonna tell me we didn't make it, bro? Why do y'all keep falling there? Okay, now what? No, wait, my hand's gonna disappear. You gotta be kidding me. See, we broke the game. That's how we know we broke the game. Because we broke the game. We broke the game. And we broke the game. Oh, I didn't even mean to press that, but okay. Guys, we broke the game. How do we feel about that? How do we feel about that? Come on. Yeah! Y'all broke the game. Well, guys, if you guys enjoyed, don't press the button. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Okay. See you guys later or tomorrow. Bye, little sheepy.